Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register an online business with GoDaddy, full guide step by step clearly. To register an online business with GoDaddy, start by navigating to the GoDaddy website. Click on the business or domains section of the homepage. Select Get Started or Register a Domain. Enter your desired business name into the search bar. Click on the search button to check the availability. If your chosen name is available, you will see options to purchase the domain. If it's taken, consider using the suggested alternative names provided. Once you've found an available domain, click on it to proceed. Choose the type of domain extension you prefer, such as .com, .net, or others. Add the domain to your cart, and then proceed to checkout. Create a GoDaddy account if you don't already have one. Enter your email address and create a strong password for the account. Fill in the required billing information, including your name and address. Review your order details carefully to ensure everything is correct. Select any additional features you may want, like privacy protection or web hosting. After confirming your order, proceed to the payment section. Choose your payment method and enter the necessary information. Once the payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation email. Log into your GoDaddy account to access your newly registered domain. Next, set up your business email account through GoDaddy's email service. Customize your domain settings as needed for your business. If you need a website, explore GoDaddy's website builder options. Follow the prompts to create a professional website for your online business. Once everything is set up, you are officially ready to launch your online business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.